Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review. Grade 1 Spelling, Quiz B words. Spell the word, butcher. His father was a butcher. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word, whistle. The tea kettle started to whistle. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, comfortable. Are you comfortable in that chair? And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, depicted. Angels are usually depicted with wings. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word, antique. He collects antique furnitures. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word, pristine. He was wearing a pristine white shirt. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word, exploration. The moon landing inaugurated a new era in space exploration. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word, munching. He was munching on an apple. And the answer is letter B. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane Online Quiz.